Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how I slick down my really thick natural hair. These are just some of the tools I'm going to be using. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. So let's get started. First thing I like to do is make sure my hair is saturated with water. I like to make sure my hair is hydrated and moisturized. Next, I'm going to be making my side part. I'm making a side part today, and I'm just using the arc of my eyebrow as my landmark for where I want my side part to kind of lay. I'm just going to clean up that part and section of my hair, as you can see here. Now I'm going to begin working in sections. If you watch any of my videos, you know I always advise that if you want to get a sleek do, you definitely have to work in sections, and you also have to make sure that your hair is fully detangled. So I'm just combing out my hair, making sure I don't have any tangles, and then I'm going to begin applying the gel in sections. So as you can see, I'm applying it to this back section, and I'm just going to smooth it in with my soft bristle brush. And when I'm done, I'm going to use a hair scrunchie just to hold that section together while I move on to another section. So repeating the exact same thing I did, I'm just making out a small portion of my hair. That's going to be my next section. I'm keeping the rest of the hair away, and then I'm going to slowly start applying the gel to this section. I've already detangled off camera, and after that I'm going to smooth it in with my soft bristle brush as well. Now the point of doing this in sections is just to make sure that every layer of your hair is laying flat, as opposed to just applying the gel like over the top of your hair, and then the layers below don't really get as sleek as they're supposed to. So this definitely helps a lot better when you apply it in sections, especially if your hair is short like mine. So after doing this section, as you guys can see, my hair is laying really flat and it's looking very nice. I'm going to move on to the front section. Now the only thing I do differently in the front is that I make sure to apply the gel not only on my roots but also towards my ends, just so my ends can lay flat over my hair, because like I said, my hair is kind of short and not all of the pieces of hair can make it into that ponytail. So I make sure to apply a lot of gel. If you're not a fan of gel, you might not want to do this, honestly. So you guys can see how sleek the back section of my hair is. I'm just going to be moving on to the front section, like I said, and now you guys can see that I'm going to make sure that my hair is detangled first, because that's very important. If you try to stick your hair in hair that's not detangled, it's just going to come out a mess, honestly. So after determining how I want my part to lay, I'm also going to go ahead and put this gel like section by section. You guys, this is literally the only way you can get your hair to lay very sleek. So I'm just applying the gel in sections until I get to the top of my head. I also like to use my detangling brush just to like smooth in all of the product, make sure that everything is getting into my hair. I find that the bristle brush just kind of like brushes the product on. It doesn't really like get it through your hair. So I also like to interchange between my soft bristle brush and my detangling brush just to get my hair very smooth. So as you guys can see, my hair is super duper flat. I'm just going to be adding one more like scrunchie and then making that back section into a bun. And you guys, as you can see, my hair looks very sleek. Just to make sure that it holds well, especially the front part, I'm going to be adding some of this spritz gel to the front section. I'm just spraying it down, and yeah, you guys, my hair is super duper sleek. It's super duper flat. I tied it down with a do-rag for about 2 days. I'm not even gonna lie, I really let this hair set for a long time, and you guys can see like this hair is not moving anywhere. My hair was stiff, it was stuck. Like my hair, it don't move. Anyways, moving on to the ponytail, which is the star of the show. I'm going to be using this Betterlength ponytail. I've had this for so long, you guys, and I absolutely love this ponytail. It just has a way of making your looks like a little bit more chic. It just like adds a little bit of oomph to the look. So I'm just applying that ponytail. You guys already know the drill on how to apply drawstring ponytails. I'm going to use the drawstring, and then I'm taking a piece of hair just to like conceal the drawstring at the back. And yeah, you guys, this look is very chic. It's very like date night friendly, very like event friendly. You don't have to go to the salon to achieve a sleek ponytail look, guys. You can definitely do this at home if you just follow these steps. And yeah, you guys can see how gorgeous this look is. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful in some way. If you guys would like to purchase this ponytail, I'll have all the links and the specs of the hair in the description box below. I also have my coupon code on the screen so you can save some money. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs this video up and leave me a comment below, and I'll see you in my next one.